EC. This is Eris. And we are going to be doing an Ampro unboxing video. I have a good friend that gave me some products to try out from Ampro. So of course I'm going to be doing a wash day video and style video right after this, but I just wanted to show you guys the things that they got for me. It's a lot. I'm excited.
One thing is for me too.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I also want you guys like and subscribe to my channel if
Comment
you like.
down below.
If you like this video, and follow me on Instagram at naturally_curlissa, same as my YouTube, just with an underscore. If you want to see more tutorials and videos and pictures, okay? So this is what I received. A box of stuff. So we're gonna do an unboxing.
So first of all, we have this hairband that goes on her head or mine. And then after that, it looks so pretty. You guys can probably see it. It's probably shiny. And it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna put this on my side. So yours too.
So you just took the bow. Like, so obviously the bow is not mine.
Yes.
It's Eris's. I'm sorry, EC. Alright, next we have some Pro Style Vitamin E oil for hair, skin, and nails. You guys probably saw me use this in my 3-strand twist out tutorial to take down my hair, and it really did good. It didn't make my hair too oversaturated, too oily, too greasy. I really like it. I'm definitely probably going to try it to see it for my skin and nails and see how it works out, but I'll put that up to the screen so you can see that.
Your nails? Oh! Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to put this on my side.
Okay. So we have this Shine and Jam. You guys can see. It's backwards, but
it's going to be forwards when we...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so no. this is like Shine and Gel. This is very like jelly, but it's actually not. It's for your scalp.
No, it's not.
Yes,
it's for braiding, and it has an extra hold. I like to put box braids in her hair, so I know this will be great.
Stop touching it.
Great consistency. You're supposed to touch it, and it smells really good. You stop touching it. Yeah, this will definitely, and it has honey in it. It's good for natural hair. Definitely gonna be using it when I do her box braids from now on to hold, because I have been looking for something to hold.
If you guys are knowing what this is, my hair is not that long, it's just weave. So we have this bonnet for your hair to lay down. You guys can see it.
This is a clear complexion bar for and it has aloe vera, oat kernel, flour, and pumice. It deeply cleans the pores. It's gentle vegan formula. It reinvigorates. So I like to wash my face, and it evens out your skin tone. So I'll be happy to try this out. Looks good, looks good, looks good. And what do you have?
I have a body bar,
Shea butter, olive oil, and vitamin E
oil. Don't judge me, I don't know how to.
She can't read. She can't read.
Cleans without drying skin.
Gentle
Vegan formula. Hydrates and
reinvigorates.
Yeah. Sounds like I'm about to say the F word.
We don't want you to say the F word. This is soap. Same concept. Has a lot of good stuff in it. Can't wait to try it. See what it does. Helps with our skin.
Okay, let's do. This is the same thing. This is Shine and Jam.
But it's for what?
It's for
shea edges.
And it comes with shea butter.
Okay, so this is edge control. Edge control.
Y'all don't judge me. I know how to read, but I don't know how to spell big.
You'll get there.
Okay.
You'll get there. We're honest on this channel. As you all know, I don't know how to do my edges, but I will love to use these products to get my edges right and perfect and practice. This has shea butter in it. we have another edge control with olive oil. I don't know if the person who gave me this, I don't know if they've been watching my videos. They know I don't know how to do edges, so they gave me all types of edge control so that I can get my life together. This one has olive oil in it. So the other one has shea butter. This one has olive oil to hold the edges down. Good for the natural hair. Definitely ready to use that. All right, so we also have hair cream for me. This is Ampro
For me.
for the children.
Wait.
Children are the future. They're the same thing.
Wait, is this gonna be exposed for parents too?
You could. I like using kid stuff in my hair sometimes.
Really?
The sweet pea protein and jojoba oil conditions and softens tresses while adding shine. So it's free of alcohol, sulfates, dyes, and parabens. And this is like some cream for the hair. I definitely would like to use this in Eris's hair. EC, sorry. God forbid I say her real name.
Which one is next?
All right, so this is what I am excited to get. Ampro has a natural curly line, and I want you to know that I did not know that Ampro had a naturally curly line. And this is what I'm going to use with my video. They have their line is called the You Are Curly, and this is the shampoo. It's free of alcohol, parabens, silicone, sulfates, and dyes. It's made with soy protein. It's enriched with Abyssinian oil, tea tree oil, Echina seed. I don't know what this is. I ain't even gonna try to read it. And aloe. It got a lot of stuff in there.
If
and
you guys don't know how to spell, go look on Google and try to spell it.
I feel like that was shade.
Okay.
I don't know what this E word is. It's ECHINACEA. I'm not gonna try to embarrass myself and try to say it, but it seems like a lot of good stuff, and I've heard good things about the Abyssinian oil. So this is the shampoo from the You Are Curly line. I have not seen it, and I'm excited to actually try it. I'm really excited. And along with that is they have the You Are Curly conditioner. So this is their conditioner. Has the same stuff in it. It's made with quinoa protein. I like to say quinoa. You can hold one. One and two.
This is
and it's enriched with Abyssinian
alcohol.
oil, aloe, and lavender. So, yes, I am excited to try this. You Are Curly line also has a tight curl enhancer. It's kind of like a curling cream. It's free of alcohol, parabens, silicone, sulfates, and dyes. It's extra strength. It's enriched with the Abyssinian oil, aloe, and honey, adds moisture and defines curls and waves. So this Abyssinian oil is in all of this line. I feel like because it's such a big word, this is going to be fantastic. And this is the tight curl enhancer. They also have a loose curl enhancer too for a looser wave texture. So I'm excited. I love the packaging. The packaging. This is my spirit color. So it definitely caught my eye. I'm excited to use this.
Okay, now we have the final one. This is You Are Curly, still control for edges.
It's edge control because I can't do my edges. I got 3 edge controls for my edges that I can't do. And it's really tight, really tight. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna put some of that right here.
If you guys can smell it, smell it. If you guys can smell it.
'Cause they
It's
can
on
smell?
my my hands right here.
Okay, all right. Can you put that back? Can I put some of this right here on your edges?
Yeah.
It's already laying down. Hold on.
And then if you guys want to see my new channel when I get my new thing.
She will not have a channel. I don't know what she's talking about. So that's it. That's all the products that
If you
we
want to see
have.
it on the next video, I'll be doing her hair.
No, she won't.
Yes, I will.
So, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for doing the edge control. I'm about to actually do a video with these products, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to style my hair.
Tomorrow she's gonna be doing.
Probably gonna do it like in the next
Next day
30
in the
minutes.
morning.
Alright, so if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. My Instagram is naturally_Carlissa. Stay tuned for the follow-up video because I'm going to be using some of these products in my next video. I just
comment
did that.
down below if we can buy something that it can actually help your edges, hair, or make your hair healthy, or yeah.
So, alright, we'll see y'all on the next video. I'm Naturally Carlissa. This is
Easy.
Easy. Alright, see y'all later.